This video is part of my free NIST GCMS software lab for universities. It will include the installation of the NIST 26 version 4.0 search software, additional NIST EI reference libraries, and the ACD drawing program. It is also accompanied by a handout, and certain things will be shown in the handout that will not be discussed in the video and vice versa. So you'll really need to look at both to accomplish the installation and understanding how the software is used with the different files. This is a summary of the installation of the resources for the course. The NIST software program version 4.0 NIST 26 will only be shown in the associated installation video and not really discussed in detail here. The additional 58,457 reference spectra with structures must be manually downloaded from my web page by the user, and I've given a link here, and manually copy them to the proper directory, NIST 26 EI Demo MS Searched. The ACD structural drawing program, the steps are shown in this handout, but no additional information will be shown in the video. After you download the NIST 4.0 version software, you will find demo files that were supplied by NIST for these nominal mass spectra. You can keep your files that you use in any location, but to find these, you'll find them under the NIST 26 EI Demo AMDAS 32 tutorial. The library files must be kept in the NIST EI Demo MS Search folder to work properly. And as I mentioned before, the user will have to do that manually by downloading the zip file from my website and then unzipping it and manually copying these folders that contain the library into the MS Search folder. With these libraries, you'll find the demo library that was supplied by NIST, but you'll find the other 5 that you will have added manually that were from my website. One must be cautious in the use of my free EI libraries. Always be skeptical of results, especially with my lower quality free EI libraries compared to the results one would get with the NIST commercial library. However, there can be errors in any EI library, including commercial ones. Library results in general yield a proposed structure. They're an aid to identification, and the user must carefully interpret the final results, considering sample origin, other related species in the sample, organic chemistry, etc. Below gives you some idea of what is in the separate libraries. Here is my opinion on the order of quality for these libraries. The main lib is very good quality and is supplied by NIST. The BB library is only a partial spectrum library containing the 6 largest peaks. It's very good quality, but a lot of peaks will be missing that would be found in a complete library spectrum. The SWG drug library is of reasonable quality, and also the Cayman. Miscellaneous library is a mixture of a lot of different libraries that I've collected over the years, and it's somewhat of lower quality, but still useful. And the same for the MONA database that's supplied from the internet. Installing the ACD ChemSketch drawing program. You can go to the resources on my web page at the following link and find the download for this from the internet. You can install the ACD software by left-clicking on the ACD free software link, and it's pretty much a standard default installation of a program. You'll find it to be a very good chemical drawing program, and you'll find it very useful in your work. After you install it, you should find the program group is shown in the Start menu for the ACD ChemSketch free program. You'll probably want to check to confirm that ChemSketch is your default drawing program, and I've given some instructions below on how you do that within Windows. To download the NIST software, I put the following prompt in Google, which brought up the desired link as the first one in the list. I downloaded the installation program to my computer. It was a zip file when it was downloaded, so I double left clicked on it to open the zip file. And then I unzipped it. And there's the application. So I just double left clicked on it. Start the installation. Say yes. Next. I accept. This is where to put it, so I'll take the default. Wanted me to confirm the new folder, which I did. And then I went to the setup and took the standard one. And then I said next. Just pretty much took the defaults. Doing the installation now, the second screen. You can see it installing the software. And I just accepted to finish it. And it's done. Now you can go to your program list. Programs. It should be in the NIST 4.0 demo. Open the NIST search program. And it's now open and ready to use. Simple as that.